Ladies and gentlemen, it's good to see you here. Everything today will revolve around the topic of hard work made easier, powered by Bosch. Without giving away too much, all of you will today witness a milestone in the history of powerful battery technology from Bosch Professional. Welcome! Before talking about the future, let us take a quick look at the past. As you know, Bosch Power Tools offers you, professionals in trade and industry, blue tools that enable you to take on your daily jobs efficiently. Our portfolio also contains green tools which private users can use around the home and garden during their leisure time. 2 years ago, we took a groundbreaking step. We opened up both 18-volt platforms to other brands, thus creating two multi-brand battery systems, all to offer even more added value to professional users with Bosch Blue and to private users with Bosch Green. Ever since, just one battery has made it possible for you to access a wide range of applications with our power tools and those of our partners. This saves you money, space and time, and also contributes to greater sustainability because in total you need fewer batteries and chargers. From now on, however, let us turn our attention to the professional world. Hard work, long working hours, extreme conditions. It is not easy to build the world in which we live. We at Bosch Power Tools want to make hard work easier for you with our professional 18-volt system. At the very heart of our system lie our powerful batteries. With more than 18 million Bosch Professional batteries already bought, users like yourself are very likely to spot one of our 18-volt batteries on a construction site. And you can already use these batteries with many tools from our many partner brands. We already have 10 brands on board and a total of more than 200 tools. But of course, we haven't stopped expanding our battery system. We want to offer professionals of all trades. For example, in shell construction, sanitation, heating, air conditioning, metal construction, and interior construction. Exactly the tools they need. At Bosch Power Tools, we want you to feel taken care of, even and especially when you are performing the toughest jobs. And that is why we are developing our battery system further and why we are now entering a new era. Today, it is my great pleasure to present our new Global Battery Alliance to you. AMPShare, powered by Bosch. In the future, when you see this logo, you can be sure of one thing. Every AMPShare battery from Bosch will be compatible with every tool in the AMPShare Alliance. In this multi-brand alliance, we are bringing together all our performance, amp, and pushing forward our vision of a universal battery system through the sharing of one battery and one logo across all brands. AMPShare, a universal battery system. This calls for strong, like-minded partners who all share a common vision to offer you, the professional users, the one system that you can build on. It therefore gives me a great pleasure to have here with us today Dr. Christoph Weiss, the CEO of Fine and the first founding member of our global AMPShare Alliance. A warm welcome, dear Christoph.
Thank you very much, Henk. It's very much my pleasure to be here for this very special event today. Fine and Bosch have much more in common than most people probably know. Robert Bosch himself underwent training in the area of electrical engineering at Fine from 1879 to 1880. Very early on, Fine and Bosch recognized their mutual potential and laid the foundation already back then for a successful collaboration. In 2016, we jointly developed the Starlock system for universal tool mounting with multi-tools. Last year, we announced that we were joining the 18-volt battery system with Bosch Professional and bringing it forward together. By founding the AMPShare Alliance, we are reinforcing this decision, strengthening our partnership and supporting our shared vision to one day be able to operate all tools, no matter from which manufacturer, with just one battery. Furthermore, just like at Bosch, sustainability plays an important role at Fine. We intend to change up many more 18-volt tools besides our Multi-Master series to simplify the everyday work of our customers.
Thank you very much, Christoph. You heard us. We rely on strong partners to offer you more efficiency, more flexibility, and a wider range of applications than ever. With that, it is a great honor for me to now announce the second founding member of our AMPShare Alliance, Christian Heine, the CEO of Rothenberger. A warm welcome, dear Christian.
Thank you very much, Henk. The pleasure is all mine. What we at Rothenberger are proud to bring into the AMPShare Alliance are our expertise and competence in power tools for joining, installation and maintenance of pipes. We connect people with water and energy. Our focus is on specialized tools in the areas of sanitary, heating, ventilation and air conditioning technology. And this has been the case for over 70 years. As a leading manufacturer in our segment, we sell around 30 million products in 120 countries every year. At Rothenberger, we place great emphasis on maximizing the added value for our users. This is why we believe in solutions such as the cordless job site, and multi-brand battery systems bring everything together. So we have decided to bring all our battery-powered products into the AMPShare universe. We are confident that our users will enjoy the added value of our collaboration in the AMPShare Alliance.
This is also my conviction, Christian. And you, dear professionals, can depend on our leading battery technology from Bosch. Our batteries are powerful, light and compact. We offer you the latest cell technology with our unique CoolPack technology, which helps heat dissipate efficiently even during tough applications, so that our batteries ultimately offer you long run times for every application and enjoy a much longer service life than conventional batteries. As mentioned earlier, already more than 80 million Bosch Professional batteries have been bought by users like yourselves. I would also like to add that we happen to offer the world's fastest charging technology. For example, our high-performance ProCore 18-volt battery with 4 ampere-hour charges up to 50% in just 9 minutes. Even our most powerful 18-volt tools, our Bi-Turbo series, are operated with these high-performance batteries. This includes, for example, the world's most powerful cordless SDS Plus hammer. Our Bi-Turbo tools continuously set new standards, all thanks to our battery technology. And that's not all. I'd like to add once again that our batteries have been compatible with all 18-volt tools from Bosch Professional since 2008, and from now on also with all tools in the AMPShare Alliance. Our mission is to always have you, the users, and your needs at the heart of our business. For this purpose, we turned to some of your colleagues in trade and industry and asked them, what do you like most about cordless tools and a universal battery platform? Watch and listen for yourself.
Der Vorteil vom Akku im Gegensatz zum Kabel ist auf jeden Fall die Ordnung auf der Baustelle und dass ich halt unabhängiger und flexibler bin. Super Idee, dass so viele verschiedene Hersteller sich jetzt auf einen Akkupack einigen können.
Früher hatte ich halt 10 Hersteller und 11 Akkus. Heute habe ich die gleichen Hersteller und nur einen Akku.
Wir haben im Container vielleicht 3, 4 Steckdosen, wo man ein Ladegerät reintun kann. Und somit ist es einfacher, mit einem Akkusystem alle Geräte zu bedienen.
Das unterstützt gerade bei unseren komplexen Bauvorhaben den wachsenden Anspruch von Nachhaltigkeit.
Man muss nicht, wenn man sich jetzt für eine Marke entscheidet, dann alles wechseln, sondern man kann auch mal eine Maschine von einer anderen Marke oder einen Akku von einer anderen Marke nehmen.
Ein Akku für viele Hersteller hat den Vorteil, dass man untereinander auf der Leiter verschiedene Hersteller dabei haben kann, dass ich von der Pressmaschine auf den Winkelschleifer wechseln kann.
Das spart Zeit, Geld, lästige Sucherei.
Das ist einfach klasse.
Great that our idea of a universal battery platform is already well appreciated. With the global AMPShare Alliance, we are advancing the cordless job site of the future together. In the future, you will find batteries carrying our AMPShare logos all over the world. I'm delighted that we already have so many Alliance members on board, but see for yourselves.
Bosch. Brennenstuhl. Cox. Klauke. Lena Lighting. Fein. Sonlux. Wagner. Ramset. LED Lenser. And now, joining AMPShare, Rothenberger, Signote, Perfect Pro, AAT, Leister, Mato, Strapex, Kummert, Collector, Bepu, Förch, Orgapack, Honsel, MK, Rexroth, and Fischer. Now part of our fast-growing AMPShare Alliance.
Wow, I'm truly delighted by this diversity. For example, even the world-famous specialist in fastening technology, Fischer, will now also contribute its expertise to our AMPShare Alliance. This shows, in the future, our battery system will offer you an increasingly wider range of applications and cover even more trades such as electrical engineering, sanitation, insulation, fire protection, lubrication technology, and window and door manufacturing. Once again, this reinforces that AMPShare is the platform that you can build on. Our battery system is taking a step forward through the founding of our new AMPShare Alliance. In just 2 years, the number of Alliance members has increased from 10 to more than 25. We offer you leading battery technology. In the future, all our 18-volt batteries will carry the logo AMPShare powered by Bosch. Of course, the 18 million professional 18-volt batteries that users already bought will continue to work and stay compatible. Together with our partners, we now offer you more than 200 cordless tools. By the end of next year, we plan to offer you more than 300 compatible tools in the AMPShare Alliance, including 50 new 18-volt tools from Bosch Professional alone. We are delighted to be setting this milestone together today and to announce even more new Alliance members very soon. Good tools do the job, but great tools make your life easier, now and in the future. AMPShare is the main driving force towards this new era. An era in which jobs are still be done with many different tools, but with just one battery system. An era in which our battery system is the foundation of the product portfolio. An era which we want to shape together with you.
Many brands,
Many tools.
One battery system, that's AMPShare, powered by Bosch.